How to use the keyframe tool and achieve something like this here using the YouCut Video Editor App. It's late 2025. Make sure you have the latest update and let's get started. Two things to keep in mind. The keyframe tool works the same way for text, inserted stickers, and even inserted small video overlays. So once you learn that, basically you learn how to use keyframe for everything you have inserted going across. So with all that said and done, let's just say you want to have a moving laughing emoji or whatever it is you want to insert, whether it's a text or a video to move around your main video. You look for it or you'll insert it first. So I want to add a sticker. Let's just say I want to add this as demonstration purposes. You press the check mark and then you make your changes to how big or small you want this item to be and set it to where you want it to start moving within the video itself. You can also choose how long this moving item is going to be in the video timeline area by adjusting the duration here or just setting it to play across the entire video. That's totally up to you. So let's just say we're ready to do the keyframe here. You want to go ahead and select the item that you want to do this for. And again, sticker, text, or video overlay. Once you select it, these set of tools will appear and you'll also notice this diamond here with the plus. That's your keyframe. Now, once you select it, that's going to start the keyframe process. So you'll notice the little diamond here. That's that orange diamond. And when you move out, it's going to turn white. And you'll now start setting your keyframe points and setting the time duration as to where each keyframe will move around your video. So you have to start with moving the timeline first. So move the timeline first, and then you move the item. So you want it to go from here to here. Release it. You'll notice your diamond appears here. Again, move the timeline first, then you move the item. Notice the other diamond appears here. Timeline first, another diamond. Timeline first, another diamond. And you can move it how far about you want it to be for each keyframe point. So maybe you want this one to be a bit shorter distance, and then you can see shorter. And once you get the hang of this, this is going to work the same for inserted text, videos, and video overlays, I should say. All right, so once you're done, you'll notice all these little diamonds now you have created. You can just go back and see them all. You can also place this orange bar over it. And you'll notice when I place the orange bar over it, this becomes a minus. So by tapping that, you can remove that keyframe point. So once you're done with all that here and you press play, you'll now have your moving item, whether it's a sticker, video, or text using the keyframe tool. This is with YouCut Video Editor App. And if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.